I want to give you guys some advice. You see, this life, there are things you need to know when it comes to replacement. Do you understand? Because many of una no understand una. Small thing go happen to una before you know you go be like say una wan kill una sef. My brother, there's always a replacement for everything. Like me now, so I do one replacement where I did very happy. You don't understand? I do one good replacement. When I just wait, I go see the replacement. Not be small thing, no. The thing be won't stress me. I say nothing will stress me for this life. You get, I go just dey suffer for something. Recently, something bad happened to me. Omo, the thing pain me. Kai, come be dey give me sleepless nights. I come reason I say, how go dey suffer myself when replacement dey? And I want see the replacement. Yeah, I know.